Hi everyone, today I wanted to share with you this recipe on how to remove hyperpigmentation. So it's a very simple recipe just using 2 ingredients, but they're very powerful ingredients. And our first ingredient is called black seed oil. And I got this on Amazon, but you can also get this at the vitamin shop or probably any health food store. Just call first because not everyone carries this. So you can also do some research on this product to see what else it's good for. It's made from black cumin seeds, and it's pressed into an oil, and it's very powerful and very good for your skin. So I've been using this on my skin now for about 3 years, and I'm very happy with the results. And I use this not only for hyperpigmentation, but also just for radiance and anti-wrinkle, moisturization, all of that. And of course we have turmeric powder, which is excellent for removing hyperpigmentation and has excellent skin lightening properties. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and one teaspoon of black seed oil. Black seed oil is very rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin A. So vitamin A is excellent for your skin. I'm just going to add a little more powder to get kind of like a paste. So until you get this pasty consistency, because if it's very runny, it will get all over your clothing. And you know that turmeric is very hard to get off of clothing, probably impossible. So you want it in like a paste like this so that you can just put it on your skin and it doesn't go anywhere. And you can leave this on for about, as long as you can, really. If you have an hour, then leave it on your skin for an hour. I would say like an hour twice a week, or maybe 20 minutes 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll see immediate results in your hyperpigmentation. It will be lighter. And as long as you stay out of the sun, really, and use sunscreen, use a sun hat, no matter what color you are, the sun causes hyperpigmentation. If you have acne scars, it will, the sun will cause them to become even darker. So no matter what skin color you are, always use sun protection, either an umbrella or a sun hat or a mineral sunscreen, anything to further prevent the hyperpigmentation and melasma. So this is a very, very excellent mask that I've been using for several years now, and I really love it, and it's always my go-to if I do get too much sun or anything like that. So give this a try and let me know how you like it. Again, it's black seed oil, 1 teaspoon, and 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Mix into a paste, and if you want it a little more pasty, you can also use chickpea flour. I don't have that, so I'm just using the turmeric, but chickpea flour also makes a really nice face mask. And also make sure that you also take a wet washcloth, a warm wet washcloth, and you can add a little oil to it to rub off the excess turmeric powder. If your skin is like really, really yellow, like my hands are right now, because I did apply this earlier to my skin. So just use a wash rag with a little bit of olive oil on it, and it'll wipe it right off of your hairline. It's really great for that. So give this a try and let me know how it worked and if it worked for you. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.